Red is a color unlike any other, unmatched in emotion and meaning. Blushing red, roses red, blazing red. No matter which red, it always makes an entrance because, well, it's red.
Okay, hello guys, this is Whisper Media. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, what are we even doing?
We are creating a Valentine's shoot.
So we are doing Valentine's Day shoot content, and I will show you guys how we are able to achieve these amazing images. And this is our kit model. She's 10 over 10 plus
10 over 10 minus 90.
plus 90. So, okay, this is the makeup artist, Viz Glam.
I'm Best Glam, and I do this wonderful makeup.
Yeah.
Gorgeous model.
I'll show you guys my light setup. I'm using AD600 inside 120 octabus modifier on a C stand. Then I'm using this guy, Godos D300 strobe as fair light. This is my fair light. And I have my backlight. My backlight is AD200. I don't know if you can see it here. This is my backlight here. I had to put a gel to give me this color because I love yellow colors. And then I'm using this second guy, AD200 again. It's backing the white background because I want to get a proper white, pure white background. You guys, so that's why I have to flash this guy against the white light. So let me show you how we achieved it. So this is my fine model. Just like that. I don't want to get this shady behind you, sharp. With my light, firstly I start with the backlight. So I will off my key lights and start with the backlight to see the effects. This is beautiful. So this is what the backlight, this is just the backlight alone. Okay, then I'll introduce my key light now. Sorry. Mimi of the Most High. Why so fine? So this is how my key light looks like, just the key light alone. This is just the key lights. So I will just introduce the fair lights now. Okay, let me bust your bubbles. Do you know that the model is the fashion designer? So she did an amazing job. Look at. She's so good, trust me. ISO 100, aperture f1.4. Then my speed. I'm shooting at speed. Which speed am I shooting at? 200. I want to shoot at 200. Do you? That's nice.
It makes sense though.
Shift to obey, can you centralize? Yeah, cool, perfect. Maybe at some point we just do without.
Whisper.
I love this. I like him picture, but no way it's the problem. Just hey. Can you do something else? Okay, Mimi, look at me.
Happy Valentine's Day in advance, and we wish you guys a lot of plenty love and plenty gifts to unbox. And please see you. Visit our Instagram handle. Follow us on Instagram or subscribe to Whisper's YouTube channel so you won't cut off our head. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.